Some people have some things I'm gonna share with you guys. So one of the things with people me I gonna share with you know is Blamdem. Blamdem respond to World Dog because yesterday was World Dog birthday and him did dip on live and him adjust certain things and him say boy him change back to him normal self, you know what I mean, when go on with him foolish and something. If you don't watch the video before this one, you know, go hear where him say him this Blamdem Mada in night. Seeing where him a say, you know what I mean, Blamdem this him say him woman a Florida mattress and whatever. World Dog respond to Blamdem saying buy Florida mattress a Lambo, right? Blamdem you know come back and respond to World Dog. I'm gonna share what Blamdem say to World Dog. You understand? Cause boy, me I tell other people this don't look good. You know what I mean? Cause Blamdem tell the people them say boy him not really have nothing against World Dog. But it's like every chance him get him this World Dog. Seeing? We also have Nicki Minaj like interview Blamdem about the interview where Blamdem do. And Blamdem him look like him look a bit slow to you know people. You know what I mean? Him look like him look a bit back of the class. You understand? Because me and Nicki Minaj ask him some question and him I say him don't know the words there. You know what I say? But this is the first Jamaican I say Nicki Minaj take on to so much. She and Lava had a relationship, you know what I mean, a friendship, we should say. She and Lava have a friendship, but it never did so thick like this what she have with Blamdem. You know what I mean? She and King have a relationship. She and let me see which other Jamaican have a good relationship. I mean, remember what it's like she and Blamdem thing different. She rate Blamdem on a different level. You understand what I say? So we are gonna get either that and we're gonna hear some of the question where Nicki Minaj asks Blamdem. So people, John no star. We have ROSEALEE and a blind youth dep on live. Him not blind, him visually impaired. Right? So this man here, me see him on live sometime last year for the first time. And me see him on Auto Live, right? Auto did that help make him some money for him do a surgery so him can see properly. Some little foolish go on, him and Auto kick off in a way, you know what I mean? And him this Auto, me I go say it plain and straight. Because on the video with ROSEALEE, you know, which una go see and I go give me opinion, him say him never this Auto, right? But when come about, you know, my people, is that him a say blinga robbing money. So we are gonna get in at that. You understand what I say? And people, the man say blinga say a 2 bills she make. You know what I mean? When she make more than the 2 bills. You see me? And we also have Shibada, my people. Shibada this cheese. And him a living best life. Which part him there? Atlanta. I right place him there because that's the whole of the body one them there. You see me I say? So right now we are going to share with you Shibada. I live in best life. I beat liquor every day. You know what I mean? Yo, when you're there foreign still, you know, people, and you're in a different environment, you know what I mean? You just want to relax because you don't have no work for do and them way there and you got a nice look. It's a different feeling. So I understand the feeling that Shibada have right now. Big woman thing. So we're going to get in at this, you know, my people, and we have other things where maybe we add to it. Yeah, we might add other things to it. So we quick kick it off.
The money. So they go for me or whatever. After let me go for me, they go. And I get a little donation. And big up After. And people twist the story after me say After was scammer, which I would never say nothing bad about After. Not a reason to say that. So, anyways, she take my photo and she go do some donation for me. And I put my photo up on her page, ROSEALEE. Go up on our platform, I tell my story and people come on the night because they're looking fun with it. People sending donations. And it's being to take the money and say only $200 to get. Which as such she said, she not show me no receipt on. But many people come on and say, I'm more than 200 of them send me sticker. He said, my wife inbox her, all she wants is money. And my wife inbox her, and send her cash up, and send her, I think, her cell. It's been a steal the message. And my wife text her. She not text her back to back, you know. Text her like a few days after again. And I ask her what's up. You understand me? I go for my blinga line, she blocked me. You understand me? And I ask her why she hold on to the money. It's blinga said, I don't deserve the money. She give somebody who was hungry. I remember, you know, on my photo, she put up a real donation, you know. And on top of that, Miss Blinga tell me to go suck my mother. The blind boy in Florida, to go suck his mother. And poor me, I don't roll to the lady. I don't know what I do to the lady. Tell me that. So tell me if that is right. That is a crime. To use my photo for real donation and take my donation money. I don't get, I think, 0 cents. I don't get from Miss Blinga. So the money gets stuck on payment option, and that's been from last year. And you see the money where she said gets stuck on payment option. Sorry, you see cash up on PayPal, I try use up to this moment. All that stuff I just like the same payment option. Every day she come up on our platform and I beg people money. You understand me? But as I said, I just leave her to God. But what she do was totally wrong. She don't want to share kids. You understand me? She's not from helping me to get my surgery done because people reach out and donate. And come on, I think somebody, I went and lived other person's life. Because everybody they come and ask them if they're a thief or whatever, they not talk about you have money from somebody. I'm come on and share my story. And everybody in the comments say, you don't get the money, you don't get the money. And me I say, no. And I want to tell me not to do a thing like that. But guess what? It is like she's not here. You understand me? As I said, what goes around comes around. That's all I can say. Yeah, better she just use a big stone and leave me. Because you come like she want me to go completely blind. That's how I look at it. You understand me? But I put God in everything.
But to our due respect, alright, we can shut up a moment. It might be salt, you know.
But remember hold on then. You see Blamdem? Ask Blamdem about it. Blamdem, yes. Blamdem is up on the live tonight. When I come on, and I tell my story tonight. You can ask Blamdem if you remember my face. Anytime you can realize the other story, but ask me if you remember the guy with the impairment. Just tell him say Blinga thief the guy money. Just tell him that. Just tell him say Blinga thief the guy money. Get the donation.
I'm not doing any mix up.
Answer me not. But the thing
I'm not doing any mix up, sir.
I understand. I'm not just on that need I say, but just leave that, but because you ask, but just say it. But
I keep it as I type it.
You know what I mean? But it's thief money. But the question is, when you use somebody's photo on your platform to raise donation and don't give it to the person?
We never do that yet.
And tell me, say, the Fanta Pie tell me to suck my mother. I never root to her. Yeah. But God is good. You understand me? I still have life. Every day I wake up and give God thanks. Yeah, man. So I go and push on, guys. No? But Blinga, trust me. Psalm 91 here, yeah? Remember. But you have kids. Remember you have kids. Everybody, tap up the screen, please, and thank you. Rosalie, thank you for what you do for me. You know? Even though I want to this little exposure, but thank you for it, see you, man.
Alright.
Come on, bless you.
Bless him. Well, people, there's always three sides to a story. If him side and fair side and the truth. I not be the one for come here, come say the lady the thief anything from nobody. I not be the one for come here, come say nobody thief from nobody, because at the end of the day, collecting donation for people is very hard. It's not say you got a big dirty guap to guap up. You understand? I can I can that chicken as well. But me never go that give me. She can thief it as well as I can that she get. You can't go down on them the banga who they. You may cigarette as she has say.
After girl, when I come to the problem, but I run off, come and pick and fast. People don't come out, I'm come to the come out, I come anger Roger and let out Roger business, Roger story, Roger out to other for him the last night. I'm a now blood club, sit down and sit down quiet about it. Roger do. Batman, Roger and Batman blood clot, right? You remember someone I know the comment to me there, someone know the whole of blood clot for now. Yeah, when I keep the competition and the trans girl come out and say my child matter about him now call her trans. But Roger look for sticking you. Roger look for you work and more than blood clot, 10 transgender put together. Roger remember say you did too, but anyway girl, I'm going to triangle. I'm bringing a thief the money the man say for true, bring a thief the man money where she make for you.
Mada.
No, that's what the child reached out to me and said she have evidence and improve.
Yes, but Mada, we're not going to that the banga who they because for some reason I don't believe being a thief shit.
Maybe she get some, I don't know, my love, maybe she get some and I get the whole of it. Maybe she take a thing, I don't know.
Alright, so people, I'm telling you something. You have some persons on TikTok when now go bring down some people. You see me, I say, me don't know if I respect or them have an alliance, but you have some people where them now go bring down some people as me said before, right? Because, you know what I mean? ROSEALEE for one, you now go hear ROSEALEE bring down blinga. You see me, I say, and many other did the same way. You see me? But you see that man there? I want liar, yeah? Me I tell you say I want liar. And you see the way how him a move, you see where him want to done, it now go get done. Him have to go look the money there on him own and people give him. Because him go over Afta did that help sort out the money. I think them did figure up on live one time and beg or something like that, but here we go and Afta must say him never have the time or him did busy or something, and it caused an argument between him and Afta, right? And him end up go on him live, go bring down Afta and this Afta. So when me hear him say on ROSEALEE live say him never this Afta, me can tell you no say him a liar, because me did dip on the live where him a this Afta. As far Miss Blinga you know, me don't know what go on between him and she. You understand? Me don't know what exactly go on between him and she. Him say him not get no money, Miss Blinga wrong. Whatever reason why she not giving him money, she wrong for do that. You understand? She for give the youth him money because as him say, she put up him picture and get the money on his behalf and then say she give somebody with more deserving. That don't right. Give it and done with him. You understand what I say? But let me know all the thing with people. You watch some more.
What do you think possible to for people?
Fundraising take time.
I know.
Even if you don't have the capacity of, you can't have the capacity of crowd and still don't have the donors.
I true that.
Whereas every people move from life to life. So
yeah,
me not feel like say she heartless, but me not think she'll rob the blind. I just want me to.
But I don't know if the youth them have improved from I know my love.
Yeah, him can't have no proof that him never did it when enough she don't use nothing for him to collect the money.
Oh, well, I don't know my love.
I in a chapter and say them send and them not send. My mind tell me say she not rob him dollar. And I just that's what me I go say. Me don't say she rob him dollar.
So when she said she not something there, she not answer it.
Him say 2 bills him get.
Oh well, I listen and I don't judge. I say 5 3 4 now. I don't know anything possible because when you beg sometimes for true, enough people say them send something and them not send now.
I'm not there.
Yeah, enough people say them send something and not do it's true. But when I put them past somebody, my love, okay, I'm gonna say somebody else song.
Me and you now have the man as broken as hunger and as poor as we are in a situation. Me and you now have the blind. So
no, we're not gonna be blind for true.
You're not gonna have the blind. That's the truth.
Oh God, but we don't know why.
We might not can get along by here, but the truth is just the truth.
But we don't know.
You're sure of the blind.
But why the boy will come out and say that though?
I don't know.
Damn. But I don't know about Roger, I come out to them, come out something different time, I go see the recording, and I don't like it. And Roger for go Roger for come out and be himself. Roger, I know where Roger come from, I know where Roger D's where Roger come from now. Because I just call myself, I don't talk certain things, I don't go do certain things or whatever. But I don't like when somebody a Batman, when you're a Batman and you know you're a Batman, don't try to make a next person in the community feel insecure and doubt themselves.
So all you know to Roger is that.
It don't matter how I know my love. I say the whole way on internet. I say we know people. We know people who personally know Roger and know Roger a Batman. Roger is a Batman. Roger is a Batman. The same like Raikyu. Raikyu told them a Batman. Two of them are two big fish. Two of them and Raikyu now hide it. When you not see it from Raikyu and Roger not hide it either. Eh?
Like you them same snatch.
You're not gonna say anything because the mama said them are living in one fairy tale. That's why them not like transgender. Because the transgenders them come out and be them blood clad self, and the transgenders them unapologetic, and the transgenders them not trick nobody. When Roger make money, Roger have to mind the boy them with the money, and Roger never buy a friend a bike, Roger buy man them bike, and the whole blood clad when come from know that. And two the boy them have to pew. That's why I see him come and go on like him a bad girl. But if nobody damn blood clot, but if you're a bad girl, come out of the closet, Roger, come out of the dance and come out of the blood clot light. But you see, you know, one PE skirt. Yeah, and subduction for cover. The two of them I saw, I'm not talking about women of blood clot. I don't have the proof for Rocky, but I know Rocky a Batman because me was a Batman. I mean, identify as transgender now, so my blood clot know them. I know them. I know I get rid of the whole blood clot file. Because I pretend the people them want to give me a file. I'm going to say I don't want the file because I'm not going to talk about it. So I take it and I can't blood clot. But I'll be a man, Roger mine. Roger walk a man, be a blood clot man, don't spoilers. Be a man, Roger mine. Be a man, that's why Roger. Be a man, Roger man like that. And Roger hate Sean. Roger hate Sean. Sean is just a cover up. And Sean can't hide from blood clot femininity, because Roger feminine more than blood clot, Sean. The only thing of masculine was Roger and rough eyes. That's the only thing, because I know Roger a cocky boomer. Joy Boy text me, I know Roger a cocky boomer. Yeah, I know Roger can go up and head top and bend over and take cocky. I don't ask Christ. You know, so Roger the lap him hood. Like, I make a shape like, look like a Batman, no for this or something, no man, no for this or something there. Yeah, wait till my blood clot come back 2:30. I don't like them get down. In fact, when you're gonna tell them blood clot show, people can identify as what they want blood clot identify. But I will not know if a man and call. But look for you to blood clot, Roger, you're not straight. But Roger look for blood clot, Roger and Roger not straight. Roger look straight too, no? Roger look blood clot straight too, no? That's what I'm telling you, the internet I want hypocrite place, you know. Because these women are the hearts of hearts. But I know Roger no blood clot straight. So I don't know a fake Roger, a fake. Me text you on IG message. Alright, Thomas. If you come out of the blood clot, we have popped out of the blood, we have drag over your blood clot, they cut out the closet today. Yeah, I'm going to pressure you for 2 weeks, Dr. Roger. I'm going to pressure you for 2 blood clot. 2 weeks, I pressure you. Yeah, 2 weeks, I'm going to pressure him for. I don't want to do it for your platform, you can't stand it. Yeah, come in walk on blood. When I watch a man named Chenko, yeah, when I watch a man named Blood Clot Chenko, rather you have to mind Blood Clot Chenko, rather you have to mind Chenko, yeah, rather you have to send money and give up Chenko money, a man beat, rather with the ROSEALEE, a man beat him with there, and then a man no beat him because them about him up, them beat him for him, but him pum pum, him bossy, him for go away. Wait till my Blood Clot come back, 2:30. I know exactly when blood clot come from. I know people know him. Yeah, Roger for go. Roger them walk and take be a blood clot, but bad man body. Yeah, right. That's some love. ROSEALEE later, my love, come and hurt me. I can't wait for blood clot. I feel like I want to cancel my mal trip. Yeah, I run out for him blood clot. Him too much other. You know why I'm not gonna come talk ROSEALEE? You having a talent show, right? You know you have the undercover business I hide, right? And you know so the girls them know about you, because all the girls know about Roger. All the blood clot girls know about Roger. You don't try to make a next person feel some kind of way to cover yourself. Because nobody not tell Roger first we hide. Because maybe if him come out, the man that was still blood clot tolerate him same way, but the man that might not par with him anymore, and the man that still got hide and fuck it. Because it is what it is, how you feel. If you go and move in blood clot later, yeah.
Later, baby.
Bad man, she love. Bad man, she love. I'm gonna come out for this year.
Pure dirty water. I mean pure dirty water. Me don't want you nothing but people. Me not come here for that. Them never gonna say nothing. Me say couldn't tell me that. Them mama never say nothing. You told 2,000. All the same, no, only they say me never say nothing. Remember, me never say nothing. I'm Mada alone did that talk. I should send my request. I never know what she that come about. I'm gonna entertain the story. Remember, because remember, me not have no luck. Remember, 2,000 only can bear me. Witness that me never say nothing. And that me really come out.
Alright, but just want to say this with people. You see, look and being are two different something. Anybody can look a certain type of way and it's not what they look like. Look at me people, let me show you something. Enough man out there, seeing, I do what them I say Raja them I do, right? And them not half to look like Raja or the next youth. Them mancho and them I do them something there. You see me I say? So you can't just judge a book by its cover. You understand me? Enough man out there do crime. And if you look on him, you can't believe say this youth here do crime. Look on the one where them say Anna life slicky Anna. You could have looked on that the youth there and say him are that type of person eh? No. Because nowadays you can't look on image. Everybody is a potential something. You see what I say? And like one time where bad man roll up them pants foot and I beat them clocks and have a ratchet in a them pocket. No. Different thing you know. Some people when you see dress like them are corporate people and them are one of the worst thing in a life. So me I tell you, don't judge a person, Virgin. So make we listen some more ROSEALEE and some people and move on to the next.
Either. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. You know, I come to start my show. Not even the man who come a while ago about him and blinga money me not go pan. Because you're visual impaired, as when you say, I the America way, you get benefits for the disabled and you're married. You understand? You can't say you want to work. You can't say you want to work. You can't say you want to work. You can't say you want to work and you know you're not going to get to work. Sometimes in life we have to settle for what we have and stop running what we can't get. So you can't eat your food. You can't eat your food and relax yourself. And the greatest thing that TikTok, I wonder why the people in Panya always in a cahoots to come by me. What up, shop? Because I tell myself, say, I never gonna answer this, man. I'm not really answering it, sir. But I want the screen card to this get out there to you. I never got answer in a Negus, God no, I never got answer. Because you've been a troll me all long from last year. And I never got answer you. I never got answer you. But let me say this to the public intelligently. Mr. Negus. No, I have to say what I have to say. Mr. Negus and false teeth. False. Mr. Negus and Abigail do up a false teeth in a fear mouth. No. Me hear you not talk about pick this and pick that and pick this and pick that. Let me not go on one. Let me not go down in a dirtiness. Negus and Abigail, I just send them to school and them want lunch money. Which one of them give me $10,000 for it? Which one of them go find 100,000 like give me for the month? No. Because in my business and I'm going to school. You tell the time out for make video, no, so I'm going to school. Me not go trace on you know, cause I want to talk to Negus intelligently this man as best as possible. You want false Abigail would have fall rotten teeth them in our mouth. You open my business tell me about picnic. Them gone to school this morning. Which one I wanna go send them lunch money come for the month? That's all I want to ask Negus. Come in and argue. Me want to ask me, I want the screen a card catch. Why them want lunch money for the month? Send it come. Nah, say nothing more. You not feed my pitney. You not clothe my pitney. You not shelter my pitney. You not have no development in my child. You can't tell me how to talk to my child on social media. Who remember Tapper? Who remember Shutters? When them grab man and call him and say, Errol! So go long road, go back to the sardine for me. Sardine again. And then God look at him and say, where you going up for your mama? I found God make sure I steak here. That's how we Jamaican people talk to our kids. Especially when we talk to you more than one time and you try to flip the scripture. When we talk to you, what me thought that they say again, I'm going to need to come back again, come see this, you know. As so we Jamaican, last short power pitney, every day you have beat out, we're going to call CDA. Let me tell you this. I see me a guy in England, I'm going to you. All I know we have black bodies, and I appear negative in the black body, you know. I know I'm going to hear this a congrats, me a guy in England, going to do one show with Swiss Players Force.
Alright, check this out. Rosalie, you know you have dreams and you have aspirations. You see me I say? And you that love to accomplish your dreams and aspirations. So me just want to say this. It's just like the man where you talk to the visual impaired man. Him have him dreams and him have him aspirations. You understand? So guess what? Him want to accomplish that. He want to be able to can see again. He want to live a normal life. I think him used to can see before this happened to him. You know? So he want back that. He want back him sight. He want to go back in a society. He want to go work, live a normal life. You see me I say, it's not, everything I know all about food. From me have food, you are, no, it's not about that. You understand? Some people, yo, you know how it's boring for you die a yard every day and like I live normal. It's boring. You see me I say? So him want start out him thing, but me I tell you say that man there, me feel him is a liar. Me can't tell you that. I want liar. And the way how him a go about certain things that make him not get through with where he want get through already. You understand? That make remember say another world do that to you what happened to you, you know. So you can't be mad at the world. You go get all different type of people. You understand? We have all different type of personalities, and you have to just be patient. Them say when you're in a lion mouth, you take time and take it out. You understand me? I say, so you see the Otto thing, that kind of rub enough people the wrong way, because Otto did a push out an effort to help him out, but him end up this Otto. Me don't know if we Otto did do him, you know what I mean, if him did me don't know what go on there so exactly, we don't remember, but you should have just allow him, make him go on about him business, you go about for your business, and you know, go bring him down, because him also did go over blinga, go bring down Otto, you know. You understand me I say? Yes, so let me know what to think with people. We are going to watch some more here, Rosalie.
I never hear. I see it, you know. If you don't see it, you like progress, girl. But it's a black Jane. Because Jane don't come here, bro. Because I suck me a look. So I know why you about your cycle. You think you just say me I got England go to show? You don't see it. But what? After something, I never hear one of you come say, Lord, Rosalie, God bless you. Thank God you get yourself to lay your life together. No. Me not hear none of black about it. From Shay to Shibada to Negus to Rottenmouth, Abigail to anyone of them. Me hear all of them me say a troll. Me not hear one of them pick up on the phone and black and I talk some greatness. But when you want to clean out on the seat, if me eat my food, I'm outside and I eat my food and hear my trouble in my house. If me and my family, I'm not arguing, me only depend on everything that is negative about me, I'm not take it out like it's an A train. But I know me know you one I want to come and say, boy, bad to bad. Congrats, Rosalie is going to England to do a show. As someone knows something really wrong going on the internet. We don't like when see people strive. I'm not gonna argue with the Negus when they don't tell me say something I argue if I'm last year, you know. Someone else make you know bigger. Come and see not argue there, you know. Now make you know when you come out to my kids, you can't tell me what to say, how to say it, and what to do. They belongs to me. I can't tell my that I got SYM or Mama any season. I want you all on agree. I can say that. But you can't do it. Because if you do it, we are gang you. I can tell my child anything. I mean, I've in 2015, I want me never say, oh no. All me say, I the surgeon them around me. But I ever tell someone a dark shit on TikTok, I could never know. Not talk about break the cycle. One thing I got tell you, I want to talk about this and I want to talk about that. Blood thicker than water and sperm stronger. So any always you want to see my family live, make we live where we want to live. Come touch you now, touch our button now. Try something. And now when I go further, them still say that too. But when I tell them too much, blood thicker than water. So now can you say I'm and them family I live, go out the road, go let them family and say, oh, what type? What? Clack a strike, I'm a family, now this is my family, I'm not here. I'm not going to argue with the Negus. I realize every argument you pick up about me. I remember on the alternate, I'll see him. Moving right along.
Fish dog, me never want really trouble you, but me I say, you know, but me I got trouble you, because you like to be seen, fish dog. But fish dog, what are we the mattress story about you? Then I first me say answer me. Me rascal. Then fish dog, you don't normally answer me when me trouble you. But that mattress story, it connect like a blood clot can. It connect in your skin, in your belly, in your gut. Fish dog, it connect you, man. Then fish dog. Then in the face, everybody knows that Yannick a mattress. I don't know who knew all people. When me talk, you know. The whole blood clot Florida and Jamaica know say I don't lie me I tell. So you want me name out who go there? Fire Reds, Elbow Man, Buffo. No, me nah but I got this so hold on. I'm showing a picture with him and them. Moving forward. Fish dog, behave yourself. A couple times, well, man, about 10 times or less. Don't remember. I will leave my time.
So what do you have to say to the people who said that's disgusting?
You like it? I could put my alcohol in there or maybe other stuff.
Boy, I'm a secret for that. You don't care where them are care about. Because negativity sell, I'm in a top. So I don't have a problem going.
Did you do like I asked you to and put a version of the song without the burps on it? Huh?
Right.
Huh?
He's so tired, he can't. Bro, stutter.
Blamdem, what did I told you to make a version without those. I'm not going to play it with the burps on it. And you said you was going to do it. So what happened? So please make that version, send it to me tonight so that I can approve it. You heard me?
All right then.
So we can add a second version. So you still have your other version, but you have the Nikki version. Okay? What's wrong with that? That's the version the girls want to hear. Right, girls? Tell him. Girls, let him know, please.
Oh. I won't fix up with you, man. I say me not take it. You know what I mean? Because I do a thing you can't take. But, you know?
No, but you can have two versions. It's okay.
Alright, me go fix up here and do rap. Me know if me can do better, me they go on like, me go in the studio and sing. I mean, a better song can sing, you know?
No, we want that one. We just want one version without the burp. Just put the brr, my ad-lib. That's all.
Alright then, I go to that.
Ew, at Lindy said the belch turn we on. Who? Turn who on? Speak for yourself.
People who like the belch comment, love.
People are weird.
And if you don't like it, comment hate.
Yeah.
If you don't love it, comment love. If you don't hate it, comment hate.
Let me see what they're going to write. Be honest, y'all.
Be honest.
Uh-oh. Okay, let me read the comments. Burp needed. No. Love. Hit. Love.
Why you can't follow a comment, Carl? What's up in that?
He said comment. He told y'all to comment and then said y'all why you can't follow the comment. All right.
Hey, me nah lie, still you know people. Nicki Minaj love Blamdem differently still, you know. Yeah man, Nicki Minaj love the G differently, man. Yo, it come like you don't even notice for people. Yo, Nicki Minaj could have there any way she want there. I do anything she want do, you know. And look there, Nicki Minaj there on live with Blamdem more than once, more than twice. You see me I say, that's why I show the same people, don't sell your soul for vanity. You see me I say, because you see where you sell your soul for, everybody want to reach somewhere in their life, you know. But sometimes you sell your soul for some things, and when you reach and when you get it, you realize, say, yo, there's nothing to life more than just being normal and can find meals and can have some nice things to wear and your place not shabby. That's life, you know. Life are not this big, this and big, that and big, rare, you know. You detach from reality, you know, me I tell you, you know. And then you worry in your brain, say, if you are going to fall off, how you are going to maintain a lifestyle, yeah. Yo, people, me tell you something, man. The best thing in a life, if you just have a little money where you know so you can change your garments them on a regular if you want, or every now and then, and you can provide for yourself and you have a nice place on a shabby. That's life, yeah? Remember me they telling them, make you watch some more.
Someone say yes and someone say love, and it, like I see my mouth.
Yeah, but that's why I told you, because it's even, just do two versions. What's the big deal?
Alright, then I go to that. Then I go to one of that version.
Yeah, and you could put it on streaming. You don't have to put it on the YouTube thing. Okay, so here's your next question. So, approximately how long did it take for the whole interview process to be completed once you walked in the interview room?
1 day. The youth, the bad. I 1 day. I maybe him a come back.
No, not for it to come out, but for you to actually do it. Yeah.
1 hour. 1 hour. My song night here.
No, but how long? Like when you went in the room, like once they set up the camera, how long did it take for them to be done?
Like don't set up a camera or done.
After they set up the camera, how long did it take for everything to be done?
Oh, like when we are doing interview.
Yeah.
1 hour. Yeah, 1 hour. 1 hour.
Oh, so you got right into it.
Yeah, man. 1 hour, man. Go right into it and do the interview. Me as know say, for me everybody, my friends to see people love it. Cause me high. You see me so. And that morning, when me get up in that morning, I may have a layover. Real, me say gone viral. I say blood clot. I'm blind to everything. I'm blind to about 2 champagne and how much something.
I could tell once the champagne started like kicking
Creep
in.
up. Yeah, man, it creep up on me when we come in, it just a drop. Bloop, bloop. Me go on good, man. You see, make everybody love it.
Yeah.
Yeah, and me say people love it. Yes.
Okay, so do you think when you look back at it, did you realize how aggravated the interviewer was at certain times, or did you not peep that while you was doing the interview?
Well, like when I use them big word, me not understand. So you don't have to explain big word.
Okay. Do you see like how? Excuse me. Let me block this dummy. Nikki worship. What? Nikki worships Jesus.
Just please me, I beg you, just start watching. Go
Okay.
Then this
but I have to know. I have to let people know that.
Oh.
Yeah.
You can't follow them. Then you can't watch them. Then me watch them. You know, all right. You see, enough of them, me get more hate before me reach them. You know. Nobody like me, you know. One time I come live at 30 people, I watch me 100 people. As me talk about somebody, then done me. And me continue to do my thing till they love me. So, me not watch what people say. You see, me a strong youth, and me not care. I live for me, and I live for people.
Because when you know who you are and when you truly love yourself, that's just how life goes. You know,
Man, I'm not one queen, man, because we love you, and my people love you. So if you see somebody I hate my, I know my people, me not know them. Everybody, king people love you, and family people, man, my people, Blinga people, ROSEALEE people, jayden people, not how people love you. So other side, some people don't know for nowhere, then they hate my you that. You see me, and them little bit, are we more than them, so we don't even care about them. Are we more than the people I hate? Look at people as a facts. See that?
But listen, I'm not new to hate.
You know watch them, man. They go always talk and say things. Because you realize enough every time you come live with me, somebody come there come try it, you know? I mean, if you watch anything the dark, you are going. We are focused on a bigger picture. Nothing can bring me down and nothing can get me out. But they have to stay.
But you know, you need a little bit of hate though. I will say nobody that's great will ever not have hate. Because if you don't have people who hate you, that's a sign that you're not really doing it. Like, if you're not winning, nobody will hate. You know, everybody, I always tell people this. Nobody walks past a homeless person or a person who's unfortunate and hates on them. No, they only gonna hate on people who got something going for themselves. So you can't expect to go through life without hate either. You can't expect everybody to love you either. So I have fun with it. I love reading the comments. You're gonna get your ass blocked, but hey, at least I got a good laugh for the night.
That's what me turn to. That's what me turn to. When I say go suck out to the mother black men. That's what me like it. Me got it. And sometimes they comment on something or cuss me. They just say go suck out to the mother and black them after. So me enjoy it too.
It's fun. It's fun. But you can't expect to go through this life and for people not to be jealous of you. That's a sign that you're moving up. You understand? Because new people, new levels bring new devils, child. Because they're so angry but it's really just their anger with themselves. You have always know that too. I want people to know that. Yes. When you see people on here like like trying to bring people down who's never done anything bad to them, that's really just a sign of how they feel about themselves, and they usually say what they think about themselves, really. So you have to pay attention to their words too, you know, because it reveals more about them than it does the person they're hating on. You know what I'm saying?
Facts.
Yeah, so, I mean, come on. The thing about me, good pussy Nikki, one thing I gotta say, been a bad bitch, okay? Same face gang bitch. Let me let you know right the fuck now. Been a writer, been a talent, been a great human being. Like, when people be worried about why I'm gifting and who I'm gifting, when I had a 9-to-5 job, I used to send money to, you know, this commercial used to play. I don't know if Gold Digger will remember it. It would be these commercials that would play on TV, like for children, for the children's hospital. And I would send St. Jude's? Yeah, St. Jude's. I would pick up the phone and send money to that place, like, and other places, but that was one of the main places because if it's in you to be a giving person, you always gonna be a giving person. Yes, sometimes you're gonna feel like, wait, mine. Okay, now you got blocked. Ugly. Joseph Chance, aka HTX Tune. Thank you for saying I'm lying, because now your ugly ass got blocked, and now I got a chance to see how ugly you are. Everybody block him. Anyway, so what Tyrese B said it's a Sagittarius thing. Yeah, like, and also, even if I get a blessing, and this is how I've been my whole life, if I get a blessing, my first thought is always, how can I help someone else? How can I bless someone else? Because that's the promise I made to myself, like many years ago. And I said, if you bless me, if you make me successful, I will help others. So I have to keep that promise. And whether you like it or not, that's for you. That's between you and God, child. That's between you and yourself.
That's why God always bless your queen.
Amen. So we don't watch nonsense. We have fun with it. It's fun. But we don't. But it's never something that we care about, because we know who we are in real life. So who cares? But anyway, next question. And this is the other thing I'm gonna say. You can't judge anyone who I gift.
And people, as me I talk about the rich thing and them something there, and it kinda hard to find genuine people when you're rich. You see me I say, if Nicki Minaj will talk, on a surprise how much people disappoint her over the years because of money and things. And one day she have to even out her own sister. You understand? So you see, the lifestyle of enough people are run down a whole heap of headache and stress and all these things come with it. Me I tell you that it may nice and alright, so boy, you can buy whatever you want and drive the latest, and you know what I mean. But as far as, like, you see the people that are famous, them it alright, me tell you something. You see, if you're rich and nobody no know to that, like, yeah, people can't know, but you're not famous, you're just rich and have a portion of money where you can go where you want to go, and if you go certain places, people not going to recognize you. Yeah, that's a better richness than when you're famous, you know. Because when you're famous, it's like you're in a one place where you box in. Anywhere you go, you have to have security and all these things. You know what I mean? So Nicki Minaj ain't good as that. Them yard even boring some of the time. You know what I mean? Some of the time, you as human being, you wake up and you don't want to dress up and make up and them something there. Them have to do that anywhere them are go. If them are going to walk, go down the road or take a drive, go on corner store, them have to dress up, make up, hair, and all these things. You see me? If no makeup no hair, them have to look presentable and nice and decent, that them can take picture. We, you know, if you want just run go down the road, you can just jog on this and jog on that and run down the road. So you see me, I try to show the people, make watch some more.
if you listen to my songs, the shit that I talk about in my music and that I was talking about when I came out, it's many people that could have judged me. And that it's many people that did judge me. And it's many people that wrote me off as some ghetto. They would always call me ghetto. And, you know, they didn't know the real me. So my point is, who am I or anybody to look down on somebody? Y'all must not know me then, because I'm not perfect. I'm far from perfect. So if my fans can support...
I don't know if you don't look certain appropriate. That I first thing. And then we just say about me that kind of fret a little bit. Then we just get buy 2 champagne and 2 bottle of liquor and just drink, and then we see me get mad out. And we go on for an interview, then we just normal.
But what did you think? But what did you think before you thought about how you was gonna look and stuff? What did you think when you heard that somebody wanted to interview you?
I think me want to do it. We never fit think my way. Me just say me I go do it now, crash out and talk up the things then. I mean, I show them that none of them are going to say, oh, Blamdem, you not show yourself, and Blamdem very high. And enough people are going to say, Blamdem, they think they only can talk behind the camera. So that's why I go viral now, because I show them so I can look in the camera and talk to them. That me do, you know. Because enough people feel like, say, oh, me have to be behind the camera for brave. So I show them, say, me have be myself. And then they think, say, you know, then they think, say, me is a clown, me can't show myself and talk. And that me do, me prove it to them and say, listen to me. You know, after they behind no phone, you can talk to me in front of no face, in front of camera, and looking at no face and telling them my mind. So that me do know. So when me do that now, I fuck me go viral, because people say, me I be myself right in front of them. And I want president, and I want Blamdem. You can't be this, me that, so me push out. I don't care when nobody have to say, me just want to say, I push out. And me say, them must be a good thing, so you feel good.
Okay, so what was the top 2 things that you remembered after you walked out of the interview or after the interview was over? What was the main thing that was on your mind?
Well, you know, figure warm and blood clot free up my mind. Yes, Thomas. I mean, they go on look a party and to me dog there. I mean, just to go on. No really nothing into the my mind.
So the people that was with you at the interview, what did they say when y'all was done? What did they tell you about how they thought you did?
You don't know how Jeffrey is so bad, but he's very, very good at crapping out. He said, me know how he man crap out so much laugh, youth. Every time I talk to people in our background talk. I will about people in our apartment.
How many people was there? Because we didn't know.
That's true. Then behind the camera, whole heap of man and woman did it. Whole heap of there in the camera. That's you know your Jeffrey tap and say, yo, how you just feel if you turn off the microwave? Whole heap of them laugh, then annoying, them laugh. As the top, then laugh. So me I tell you, I don't know how Jeffrey take out the annoying laughing. You know how he do it, but him.
The laughing wasn't annoying. But you know what I think? I think he didn't realize that the thing that was causing noise in his ear was your chain. Your chain was hitting on the microphone, and he kept on hearing the noise, but he didn't know where it was coming from.
Okay, yeah, probably had that for true. I realized that chain continually on the mic.
Okay, so do you think that he asked you some good questions? Do you think there were other things you were expecting him to ask you and he didn't?
Yeah, not really, you know, but you know, if you ask him something, the boy, he asks and can't ask, you see me? He asks and can't ask.
How did you feel when people were coming down on him about interviewing you?
All right. I always see people may come down on him for me, and people don't like me. Yes, and people don't like him too. You see me, because he don't ask them to interview and they don't do it. And then go different place, and then follow man and go different place for the interview. And then they don't go viral. And then they say them bigger than me, and then famous than me. And then friend, you see, for them interview where them do not go nowhere. And me where they have as dog, as where they say and shit, go viral. So I them think that as a bad man come in there, so now, which me been a tell the dog that on the interview, so well if a bad mind did. So the dog get done expect it. I say dog I make video, I make a laugh off of them and I make a fool of them. I don't bad mind, because I don't do none of them nothing. Because what we can done people, what we do the same thing. And I wanted that we do if we make content, because we make content a regular day. All we are the same thing, nobody no better than nobody. Nobody can look down for me. Because what we are human being.
That's right.
Hey, me not lie still enough people. Blamdem give Jeffrey a push still enough. Yeah man, he give him a push man because a long time Jeffrey no get them the type of views the friend. He long time you know. From over last year, him no get a hit interview like that one here with Blamdem. So make we see what him gonna do with it, you know. You see me, if him go find somebody else to go viral again because the fix a beat him bad. You know what I mean? Me not lie, the fix them flap out. The pretty done thing with them do, it no that viral like this a Blamdem something here. You know what I mean? So it's a good look for Jeffrey still and Blamdem also. So tell me if you think Blamdem are gonna ever show him face with people. That more I know. Tell me if him ever gonna show him face. So let's watch some more and then move on to the next.
Me know me give problem and me know me wrong most of the time, but me know wicked. Me give homage where it comes from. Me give the crown.
Exactly.
Anybody forget them crown, me give them it. Me no hold back no crown. Once I forget the crown, me give you a crown. I mean I'm bad mind. Me come and cuss and galang back to the clout. But me get me clout and now and I clean up my name now and do some music. And do some conscious thing right now. Me I try the right now. And keep me people. And we can entertain them 1 or 2 times, me can do it. And come cuss and galang back. Same way, because me that. To cuss and galang back. So me never go tap cuss and galang back. And me that me people love me for. So the boy can't come tell me if it tap. Or, you see me? But we don't cuss and won't cuss.
What is definition of character?
Well, I don't know what that thing, I just use word that me see and Google it. You know what I mean? That's it. So, you don't hear me use wrong, you have to understand, say, you don't know what I mean? Because I use.
So did you so your brother jumps hurdles?
My brother jump, where that mean?
Well, you were saying that he's gonna be like another. You saying?
Oh yeah, early run. Oh, run. Yeah, my brother in Canada, my fastest runner. My brother in jump over his urging him.
Okay.
Yeah, he jump over it and he fast, funny, you see me? And he in a big old county in Canada, you see me? All in Canada in a county. He fastest, you see me? He run the fastest and he big. Yeah, man.
And he's studying neurology.
Yeah, brain. We're going near brain. Yeah.
Okay. And so let me tell you something. There was a moment when I don't know how long I laughed. I could not stop laughing when you started singing and throwing your hands up. Look at my shirt. What you talking about?
Yeah, man, if you let me, I'm tell you, I Nikki, I will if I fight me getting a train on when Nikki, so boy, ain't know me, we are rating for good. You know, if I fight them, I fight me when I hear them, I bring you down. Actually, they want you to pray me and say, no, and turn against me, no. Because they want you to say, oh, Blamdem, I bring you in a wall. Because most of the time, I hear them. Oh, Nikki, Blamdem gonna get you in batty wall. That they love saying, no, so me I'll put you in a problem. How the hell me go put a big international rapper queen in a hole? Me and little Blamdem go put you in a hole. So you see the little fight there me I get. So me have to talk, then we leg on my shirt, dog. Then we leg on my shirt, cause when them I get to them shirt, when they have on to them shirt and they run, me now hold their shirt. Me have to be care about them and watch me also watch them and laugh. So
bro,
me
where
I get
you
my
got that dance from? You made that dance up on the spot?
I mean, you make me dance up and we leg on me, turn on leg on me a flash. Me a flash for them leg on my shirt. They flash leg on my shirt. So when me say somebody hold on for your shirt, you know, you flash and fling with their hand. Yeah, so I flash me and flash out there. I say, leg on me. I remember say when you under rum and nails it, you know, and that rum, you do anything. So me can't do that sit there again. You don't know how to do it again now.
Right.
Me can't go do it again because me the high.
The hand move one look at you.
Chance for the density again. Me can't go deep again. A chance on here, skank say. Papa Bill transform, pull it in, see. Yeah, man.
The move one look at you. Nikki.
Yes, and his feet did like a little part. When I had my husband watching and going to that little part, I said, no, you have to watch this part. When I tell you we laughed, how long we laughed, I couldn't even tell you how long we was laughing. And now it's one of those things that I cannot stop saying. I hate when stuff like that happen because now I cannot stop doing it.
Yeah, man, Nikki, have to go for an international shirt. Stage, when I fight, yes. Dirty man, go look at work. Who no love me, let go me shirt.
So that me I try to tell you now. And it's all because of the sexiness of my hands. Why you guys keep asking, let me see your nails. Let me see your nails. Let me see your nails. I mean, come on. Stop. Done already. Ah! Back up a crab up.
Dick up. All up.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Huh?
I think I want all up.
Yeah, dick up. So they have a good handle for massage. Okay. Somebody say Michelle Wagwan.
Oh, no, me.
Miss Henry. You in New York? When I do a New York, it congested and cheese at Thief Telco. So when I do a New York. New York have them background here? You enjoyed the convo the other day. You said nurse now. Nails are giving, Shibby, thank you.
And the people that mother shop, they was like, you got the best one doing your nails.
Yeah, yeah. The people that love the nail. And it's a man do my nail and put on the acrylic and they you know put on the acrylic, you put on the gel. Yeah. Foreign fit your body. Giving rich anti-vibes.
It is rich anti-vibes.
I wouldn't even say anything for my mouth. I wouldn't even say anything for my mouth. Adi say, you look rich in a girl. What a day, Adi. Adi with a dead old. I joke, Adi can't dead.
May I record you?
No, you're brighty. Adi wouldn't dead. Adi a young boy, people. Adi is just, I can't tell you the Adi age. But anybody who follow the corner know Adi's age. Anybody who follow the corner a long time know Adi's age. I can't give you guys Adi's age. Yeah.
Candy say all of a sudden Adi old dead.
I hate Candy. Candy better stop it. Yeah, so. Chilling in my 4.6 Cadillac, trying to be ready. My phone is ringing. I got a message.
Alright, my people. So, alright, just so me I go end it. Just let me know what you think in the comment section.